How can we measure the radius of Earth with just some mathematical formulas and some calculations? Let's have one circle which represents Earth. On that circle, there is a one point A where I am standing at some height which is equivalent to the radius of our Earth. Let us say R is our radius of our Earth, and that we want to find out with some calculations. Let us take Sun at time t1, which is making an angle 90 degree with our Earth. At that time is t1 and the position is s1. Then I have gone to such a height h, and at that time I was just waited for the sun to come into horizon. So at time t2 sun came to horizon, and now I have stopped the timer, so I get the time difference between two horizons, t2 minus t1. Now this will make some angle alpha, and we need this alpha to find out the radius. Now the triangle OCB is a right angle triangle, and these two lines are parallel, so the value of DBC will alpha, and the value of CBO will become 90 minus alpha, and OCB is a right angle triangle. That's why the value of COB will become 90 minus the value of CBO. So it will become 90 minus alpha. So the value of COB will become alpha. So right now we need to find out the alpha, and to do that the value of OB will become R plus H, and the value of OC is R. Now let us take a triangle COB. For that, the value of OCB is 90 degrees, so we can do like cos alpha is equal to OC divided by OB, and the value of OC is R, value of OB is R plus H. So we can write like that: cos alpha into r plus cos alpha into h is equal to r. So it leads to cos alpha into h is equal to r minus cos alpha into r. It leads to cos alpha into h is equal to r into 1 minus cos alpha. So the value of r will become cos alpha into h divided by 1 minus cos alpha. So this is the equation for the radius of Earth. So now let us try to do it practically. When I have tried this experiment, one person was at ground which have started the timer at t1, and the other person is at height of h. The height of h is nearly about 10 meters, and the difference is here 23.3. To find out the value of alpha in 24 hours, our Earth take a round of 360 degree. So here we have a time t and we want to find out the angle alpha. So we can do like alpha is equal to 360 into t divided by 24 into 60 into 60. So the value of alpha will become t divided by 240 degree. So the value of alpha will become t divided by 240 degree, and that we are using now. If we put this value into our equation, r is equal to h cos alpha divided by 1 minus cos alpha, then the value of r will become 6.966 into 10 raised to 3. So this is the quite approximate value to 6,400 kilometers. That is our radius of our Earth. In this video we just try to use mathematics in our everyday life. We will be back with some more interesting videos. So please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.